Today's video is focused on the dollar-Hungarian forint forex pair and its Elliott Wave analysis on a daily chart. Hit the subscribe button to get notified when we post more free analysis here every week. Surprisingly or not, the US dollar has been losing ground not only to its major rivals like the euro and the yen, but against the Hungarian forint as well. Dollar forint reached 302.22 on December 15, 2016. A year later, it was hovering near 260, and before the end of January 2018, the pair fell to as low as 246.45. This chart here puts the recent plunge into Elliott Wave perspective, and through it, we can actually find out what it means and what to expect from now on. The decline in question looks like a textbook 5-wave impulse with an extended third wave, whose subwaves are also visible. The guideline of alternation has been taken into account by the market as well, since wave 2 is a sideways running flat correction, while wave 4 is a sharp corrective recovery between 252.49 and 269.54. This brings us to the present where wave 5 in brackets of 5 appears to be in progress, suggesting dollar forint is supposed to make one last low near 245. But instead of joining the bears, traders will be better off staying aside, because according to the Elliott Wave principle, every impulse is followed by a 3-wave correction in the opposite direction. In other words, we could expect a major bullish reversal once the 5-wave decline from 302.22 is complete. A bullish divergence between the price and the MACD indicator is another reason not to trust wave 5 in brackets bearish breakout. If the bulls are to achieve a decent retracement, they need to be able to lift dollar forint at least to the resistance area of wave 4 of the impulsive sell-off, which lies around the 270 mark. Once there, the 5-3 wave cycle would be complete, and the bears would once again be ready to drag the exchange rate to new multi-year lows. Like the video if you think this analysis is good, and check out our other Elliott Wave videos and articles at ewminteractive.com through the link in the description.